Hey there, welcome back to Meat Thinker channel. Today we've got a great recipe that will make you rethink what to do with all that leftover brisket sitting in your fridge. We're about to turn those cold, bland slices of brisket into something juicy and tender. Leftover brisket tacos. But not just any tacos, these are packed with smoky flavor and easy to make. So let's start right in. You know, there's nothing quite like enjoying brisket fresh out of the smoker, but what happens when you've got heaps of leftovers? You try to heat it up in the microwave and it doesn't taste good at all. You try to put it in the oven and it just takes too long. You throw it on a pan and you may get a half decent brisket slices. But fear not, we're going to make the leftover brisket great again. Leftover brisket tacos are perfect for your lunch or a potluck contribution, but this is a perfect solution for your late night snack needs. Trust me, they're just not a quick fix. They're a taste sensation waiting to happen. Now let's get started with the process. First thing first, I'm using the slices from the last video. And next, chop up some fresh cilantro and dice some onion into small savory pieces. Mix them together, creating a topping that will add a freshness to our tacos. Next, let's fire up the griddle. I've got some soft tortillas and bag of Mexican cheese ready to go. Now, toss the leftover brisket onto the hot griddle. If you're feeling fancy, chop it into bite-sized pieces, but today I'm just keeping it simple and using it as is. While the brisket slices heat up, throw the Mexican cheese on the flat top to get a nice crisp layer ready for the tortilla. And bring the tortilla on top of the melting cheese, add a slice of brisket or two, add onion and cilantro mix, and throw on more cheese on top, and fold it into a perfect taco. It's a symphony of textures and flavors in one bite. Check that out. Coming home late after partying, you've got the munchies. Imagine having these tacos in front of you and taking a huge bite into these cheesy, smoky brisket tacos. Oh yeah, you're gonna sleep good tonight. There you have it, the leftover tacos that will have you drooling. The juiciness and tenderness of the meat make it melt in your mouth. I can eat these again and again, and I bet you feel the same way. If you got your own favorite leftover brisket recipe or a unique twist on tacos, share it with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and keep me thinking.